Aloha! Aloha everyone, welcome back to Orchids in Paradise. I hope you're all doing well. If you are new to my channel, mahalo for tuning in. My name is Kelly and obviously this is an orchid channel, but today's video is going to be something special, something different, something I've never showed you guys before, and that's because this is all new to me. Yesterday I met an amazing couple. I was a vendor at the Mililani Orchid Show, the Mililani Orchid Club Plant and Craft Fair. There you go. I was a vendor and I met this amazing couple, and they told me about this wood show, which happened to be on Sunday, the day after the craft fair. And I decided to come and check it out, and I'm so glad that I did, because I already did a walkthrough and they have some amazing things on display. Things that I really felt is worth sharing, and I think a lot of you will appreciate it as well. So I'm gonna take you guys inside, and I think you guys are gonna be surprised, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So this is a display of just different types of wood, I believe, that we have here in Hawaii. I didn't get a chance to look at all of it, but as you can see, there's a lot of different pretty woods that they have. And here is a little brochure. This show started today. It runs for 1 week, I believe. I'll give you guys all the information in the description box, just in case anyone is here on Oahu or on the outer island and you guys are interested in attending, or maybe you are watching from the mainland and are coming to Hawaii soon, within the week for a vacation. You guys will be able to come and check it out, and it's free. It is at Blaisdell Center in the Pikake Room. So this is it, guys. You enter here and you can pick up a little ballot to vote, and after you are done, place it in this bowl. So you're gonna vote on your most favorite piece, whatever piece that you like the best. Here we have a rocking chair with a little table. It got really busy. When I was in here the first time, it wasn't that crowded.
When you're short.
Look at this, guys. So there's obviously a description of what the item is. Some of these are for sale. This one right here is $1,800. It tells you who made it, what kind of material they used, and sorry guys, I'm reading what it says. It just gives you information about the piece itself. Look at this cool lamp. Isn't this beautiful? So again, here's some information about the show. Hawaii Forestry Industry Association, HFIA. You guys can look that up. You can Google that. Look at this. Look at this honu. Honu is turtle in Hawaiian, guys. Look at how beautiful this is. Incredible, absolutely incredible. And look at these tables. Isn't that gorgeous? Hopefully you guys can hear me. There's music playing. I hope I don't get flagged. These look like flying fish. Everything in here is so pretty. Just look at the detail in these tables. And it is $8,500, guys, for this table. This is called Greek jug. $8,500. Here's another table. Look at this bench. Everything in here is so pretty. How do you pick a favorite? It's just everything looks so good. So hard to pick. Look at this dresser. It's being sold for $14,000, guys. And check out this canoe. Isn't this incredible? Look at this, guys, an owl. And if you want this, you can purchase it for $20,000. Main division, this is a first place sculpture. Here's another bench. I love this bench. This one is $8,000. I would love to have this in my garden. Wouldn't that look amazing? Take a look at this, guys. So I think that is a horse under there. Yes, it is. Horse body with legs supporting a koa coffee table. $5,200, guys. Let's look at the detail in these pieces. It is incredible. I'm sure my video doesn't do it justice. So if you guys are here on Oahu and you watch this video, you should definitely come and check it out for yourself if you are interested in anything that I'm showing you guys, because it'll definitely look way better in person. And again, this show runs for 1 week. So until next week Sunday, you have until next week Sunday. Today is November 16th. No, I take that back. I think today is November 17th. So you have 1 week. Look at this rocking chair. Beautiful rocking chair. This is one of my favorite pieces as well. Look at this canoe. It is gorgeous. I know, right? Only. And you can't even put it on the water. It's beautiful though, yeah. Here we have a surfboard. Look at this. First place, accessories, main division. Look at the detail. So pretty.
It's a story about different entities that sustain plants.
Take a look at this fish, guys. Another one of my favorite pieces. I don't know what I'm gonna vote for, guys. Everything looks so good. Oh my gosh. I have to show you guys this because I think this is amazing too. Excuse me. This is an octopus. Look at that. So cool. Masters Award of Excellence. Amazing. Look at this ukulele made out of koa. This is not for sale. It is absolutely gorgeous. I almost forgot to show you guys this bowl. It is so beautiful. It is so detailed. I hope I don't get flagged, guys. There's music playing. We just had a weird siren on everybody's phone, so that interrupted my video. It is really crowded in here right now, guys, but I'm doing my best to show you guys what they have. Oh, look at this. I know I'm missing something. Oh, here. I wanted to show you guys this other artwork with a fish on it. So pretty, guys. This is $900 for this. And the artwork of the fish is $4,200. Absolutely incredible. The people that make this, the artists that make this, are just so talented. And some of these are from high school students. There's a few high schools that are listed here. Speaking of high school, guys, I actually had woodshop class when I was in high school. This makes me wish that I stuck with it. This is just absolutely amazing. I'm gonna show you guys the owl one more time, and then I think I'm gonna end the video. I wasn't expecting to do a video, but I just thought this was just too cool not to share. So I hope you guys appreciate this video, and if you're here on Oahu, come on down to the Blaisdell Center Pikake Room. The show is free, open to the public. I'll put the information for the time and the dates in the description box as well as on the screen. So I hope you guys can attend it because it's definitely worth it. Here's one more look at that owl. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this bonus video. Until next time everyone, remember to always live aloha.